Hey guys, here's your week 5 MyStatsLab problem 1. And I just took a picture of your problem here because there's really not much for us to do. No math, no Excel to do here. But I thought we'd talk about it for just a minute. Probably going to give away the answer to the question, but that's okay. Let's just take a look at it. So in this question, we're supposed to indicate if the following represents independent events. And it is the prices of houses on the same block. And we need to decide whether it is a independent event or not an independent event. So what makes it independent? Well, pretty much what it says there in part A is because the outcome of one trial doesn't influence or change the outcome of another. So if they're independent, the price of one house is not going to have anything to do with the price of another. If they're not independent, then they will have some influence on it. So let's sort of think about that for a minute. We're talking about the prices of houses. And I know you guys have seen some of the real estate shows on TV. My favorite one is the $1 Million New York show. I really enjoy watching that. But if you watch any of them, they're always talking about comps and houses that are similar in area and size and their values. So if one house or the price of one house can have some influence on the prices of the others, then that tells you the answer to the problem. Because if these houses are on the same block, then what do you think about the prices and comps and what that does to it? So to know whether it's independent or not, then we need to know a little bit about the subject matter of our question. In this case, it is real estate prices. So you have to be somewhat knowledgeable of real estate prices and how that works to answer questions like this. So when you have these types of questions and they're asking you whether these events are independent or not, they depend on each other in any way, then you may have to do a little bit of homework in deciding whether you have enough information to make that type of determination. So I think that's what it tells you a little bit about how this works, and that's all it is to this question. So I enjoy this, and we'll see you the next time around.